So topic is types of traps in insectivorous plants. First type of trap is snap trap. Insectivorous plants using snap trap shed their leaves rapidly when the prey touches the trigger hair or the roof of the plant like this. I have made this trap by using cardboard. I have cut the cardboard in this shape, two pieces of cardboard. Then I have used very fine sticks placed between these two pieces of cardboard and I have stick them together. Then I have painted it with a green color and inside it is painted with red color. This stick of the trap is made by using these sketch pens. I have stuck these sketch pens together with the help of Fevikwik like this. And then to make it look green, I have used this tape. This tape has glue when it is stretched like this. Now it is sticky. Otherwise it is not sticky. When we stretch it, then now it can be sticky. This tape can be found easily on any craft shop. So I have made all the sticks of traps by using these sketch pens and covering them by this tape. So after this I have used a nylon thread which is transparent in color, so it is not very visible. I have tied this trap in the middle of this stick. So now when in the upper piece of the cardboard, so now when we pull the nylon thread, the trap gets closed. So now it seems functional and the thread is not visible because it's transparent nylon thread. Second type of trap is flypaper trap. Insectivorous plants using flypaper trap has very fine red hair like tentacles which are actually very sticky. So they stick the insects in these sticky hair like tentacles and then roll them and eat the insect. I have made this trap by using these small straws. I have painted them green in color and then I have cutted the wool very finely. Then after cutting the wool, you apply the Fevicol on these straws and then stick them like this on that wool and then shake it off. Now only the left parts of the wool is on the straw, so it makes it look like very fine tentacles. These fine tentacles are red from the top, so what I have used is some color, some watercolor and very fine brush, and I have put it the dots everywhere. From some distance it looks like the red hair like tentacles. For painting these straws, it's better to use the fabric color which is the acrylic color. I have used this green color. It is thick and unlike watercolor it does not go off easily. So I have used this acrylic colors. For giving the straw this curly shape like it has actually eaten an insect, what I have used is these metal wires. I have put this inside the straw and then I have rolled it after putting a black paper in between. Then I have used an empty bottle, colored it brown, and then with the help of double-sided tape I have sticked all the straws around the bottle. Next trap is lobster trap. For making this trap, also I have used these straws. I have colored them with green color and then I have made some white dots with the acrylic colors. This type of trap is found in corkscrew plant. So these white dots which I have made are actually little bulky in the actual plant. So when an insect enters the trap, It thinks these bulky areas are the way to out, but actually they are completely closed. So the insect keeps on going inside and gets trapped deep inside the plant, and the plant starts eating it. So how I have made this trap is by using the straws, coloring them with green color, and making white dots with the acrylic colors. For making it functional, I have made a hole over here in the straw, and then I have put this nylon thread inside the straw, and this is very small distance, so the thread comes out of here, and then I have made a paper insect and I have stick it with the nylon thread, so the thread is invisible, looks like an insect is going to go inside the trap. When you pull the other half of the nylon thread, which I have tied this with this, so now when I pull it, it looks like insect is going inside the plant or the trap. And then same like the flypaper trap, I've used an empty bottle, colored it brown color, put double-sided tape inside, and then I've stick the straws. Next type of trap is pitfall trap. Insectivorous plants using pitfall trap have a hollow modified leaf with a lid which is filled with liquid to digest the insects. So this is actually a hollow modified leaf with a lid, and liquid is filled inside this trap. So whenever an insect enters the trap and enters this hollow modified leaf, the lid of the leaf gets closed and the insect is trapped inside. Now it gets digested in that liquid. I have made this trap by using this bottle. It looks like the shape of a pitfall trap. I have colored it with red acrylic color. The stick of the trap is made same like the snap trap with using sketch colors and the tape. To make the lid of the trap, I have used this thick white paper, colored it red and pasted it like this. It's tight so it stays like this. Only when I pull the thread, the lid gets closed. So how I have pasted this bottle to the stick is with the help of this copper wire. The same copper wire which I have used in making this, because it is very easy to roll it. So I have rolled it like this in circles, and then I have pasted one circle down the bottle over here with the help of Fevikwik, and then I have used this straw, cut it into half, painted with the green color, and then I have inserted it in the copper wire, and then the left of the wire I have rolled it above the stick, and then covered it with the help of green tape. This is how I have made the pitfall trap. So the next is bladderwort trap. This insectivorous plants using bladderwort trap suck these small insects inside with the help of vacuum. So whenever an insect comes near the mouth of the bladderwort trap, it gets sucked inside instantly. I have made this bladderwort trap with the help of a hollow ball. First, I have cutted the hollow ball into two equal parts, and then I have made a hole big enough to fit the paper insect inside, and then I have made a very small hole at the back of the ball here. So now after making this hole, I have put a nylon thread from here, and then I have pasted the two balls with the help of Fevikwik, both the half of the balls. I have pulled out the nylon thread from this side and then pasted an paper insect. To make it look like a mouth with the hair, I have pasted this wool, and then this is made with paper that looks like a beak. The smaller hole should be made in this lower half of the ball, and the bigger hole should be in this upper half of the ball. These are just like made in a straight line. The stick of the thread is made just like the pitfall trap and the snap trap. So this is how I have made all the traps of insectivorous plants. To make it look little bit decorative, I have pasted these plastic grasses. So this is a working model of the types of traps in insectivorous plants. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have liked the ideas.